Hey folks, Hubie here. Thanks for sticking around for this walking around for this 2013 Grand Jeep Cherokee Overland. Well, it comes in this lovely red color and with the chrome accents. Also down here, forward collision control, adaptive cruise control. That's right, adaptive cruise control for 2013. We come around the side with the Overland edition. I love the chrome accents. And also even the proximity key. So the key's locked, just put your hand in. Keys don't need to come out of your purse. Up here we got a rack ready to go to be outfitted if you want to. And we come on back. It's got sensors in the back. This one also comes with equipped for tow package. All wired up, ready to go. Another thing I like, push of a button, and up she comes. Let's take a look at the inside. Hey folks, Hubie here again. Thanks for sticking around as we check out the inside interior of this 2013 Grand Jeep Cherokee Overland. One thing I really like about it is the wood accents in this vehicle. Also, this comes with all the bells and whistles for 2013. Power locks, power windows. Over here it has 2 seat controls where you can set your seat. Adjustable steering. You got your Bluetooth functions here on your left. Over here on your right you got your adaptable cruise control and so forth. This vehicle also comes with a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats. One thing I do like about this is the air ride suspension. You can lower it, put it up, and put it down. And lots of storage, folks, lots of storage. 2-tier system. We got more storage here. With 151,000 kilometers on it, the interior is very, very well maintained. Gotta love that beautiful panoramic sunroof. Great for on winter days when you just want to enjoy the sun and not the cold. If you like what you see, don't be a stranger. Give us a shout or come on down. That's Hubie at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you soon.